Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Word tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and edit tables in Microsoft Word step by step. So whether you're making a schedule, data chart, price, price list, this is for you. So here I have some simple data that have the relationship between temperature and volume. This can be used to demonstrate Charles' law in chemistry. So let's say we want to edit this table. So once you click on this data, it will give you this tab will pop up where you have the table design and the table layout. So you can go ahead and click on this plus sign here, then it will highlight the whole table. Then you can go to table design. Then from here you can go ahead and pick the design that you want to use on your table. In Microsoft Word based on the instruction of your supervisor. So let's say, for example, want to use this one. When you click on it, it gives you this design. Then you can also click on your table, go back again and get a different table layout. You can also add or remove view the grid lines. Once you click on it, it looks like this. Once you click on it again, the grid lines will disappear. Then you can also look at the property of your table. There's left alignment of your text. It can be left based on the way you want it. The rows, the columns, you can edit them, the cells and the text. Then you can also go ahead and check out other things like you can insert the columns, you can insert the rows on this section. Then going back to table design, you can also go ahead and shade your table. Let's say, for example, you want to give this shading. So you can take this, then on this section, you can also shade it like that. Then here you can also shade it like that, the black color like that. You can also use the pen color here. Then like this one, then you can go ahead and draw something using that pen, like for example this. Then you can also go back the table layout to make sure you don't view the grid lines. So this is how you can create tables in Microsoft Word. Very simple. And you can go ahead and shade more so when you're preparing the budget. The shading features are very key, helps you to make sure you prepare your table in a good way. So here you can also go to modify your table style. You can change your table style by formatting here, different customizing your document differently. And that is it. Now you know how to create and edit tables in Microsoft Word like a pro. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you like to learn next. Thank you for watching. More Word tutorial every week. Please make sure you subscribe for this channel. It will prompt me to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you.